welcome to my channel. I'm Alexa. Today we're making no-bake chocolate peanut butter bars. I've measured out all my ingredients and I recommend that you do so too. You can find a full list of ingredients and measurements in the link in the description. Remember to watch the video first so you can be prepared.
Before I start, I sifted my powdered sugar. This is a very necessary step so that you don't have clumps of powdered sugar in your bars. Then I'm going to put my peanut butter, graham cracker crumbs, melted butter, and powdered sugar into the bowl of my stand mixer. I'm going to mix until these ingredients are fully combined. This looks great, so I'm going to move on to the next step. Now I'm going to press it into my 9 by 9 inch baking pan. If you don't have one, any similar size would work. To do this, I'm using a rubber spatula. Try to get it as evenly pressed into the container as possible so you can get even pieces. Next, I'm going to quickly smooth out the top using an offset cake spatula. You can also use a knife or the back of a spoon. This will make the top look more smooth, but you don't need to do it if that's not what you want. Next, I'm going to make my chocolate topping. To do this, I'm going to combine my chocolate chips and peanut butter in a microwave-safe container and microwave it in 30-second intervals. Start stirring it as soon as you can see some of the chocolate melting. Microwave the mixture until it completely melts. For me, that took 2 minutes, but every microwave is different. Be careful not to burn your chocolate. Now that my chocolate topping is done, I'm going to pour it onto my peanut butter concoction. I'm going to smooth it out using my offset cake spatula again. You can use a knife if you don't have one. Next, I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for at least an hour so the chocolate sets. That way, when I cut it, it will cut evenly. And our no-bake peanut butter bars are done and looking delicious. Please let me know what you thought of the video in the comments and how the recipe went for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you can see when new videos are added. Thank you and enjoy!